Now to add background music using CapCut. Well, firstly, let's say that we want to put our own tunes in. Well, we could easily just go to import here and click on to drop in this magnificent sound right here, and boom, we have our sound. Now, if you want to make your own, you could easily go here to the record, click record, make sure you have the right input, and then you click record, and then you could talk however you want. So let's say that I say something, boom, 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 boom. I exit it out, and you'll have it here. An example would be if I hummed and I put my voice. So I have my regular voice here, and let's see how that sounds. So as you can see, it's just me just humming, but then I could also add effects. Now I have an echo, and then I could also duplicate and add different effects to that, and it creates something like this. Creepy, right? So now all we have to do is drag in the content that we want, and we go over here, and we could easily just, not sure what's going on there. Hold on. Interesting. So yeah, all we do is go here, slam that over there. Let's go here. And now we have background music. And if I wanted to, I could select all of these, go over here, increase the amount of time it fades out, make this a little bit more creepy. I could look over here and make it a little bit more creepy by desaturating what we have here. So there we go. Could increase the contrast, decrease the contrast, increase, lower the highlights, lower the shadows, make it add the illumination. We can put it here, maybe add some, maybe make it a little bit more blue, but not too blue. Then we could go to effects or filters, kind of see what we want, see what we like. As you can see, there's tons of these to pick through. Then that's really it.